Dear folks, take your group discussion book, page number 171 to 174. From this is the year 2012, man has grown in leaps and bounds in many areas, especially space and research and medical inventions, and cloning is one amongst them. Here, cloning, it comes under the medical invention of man. Cloning is bad for human beings. Is it good or bad for human beings? Recently, the cloning of human being was successful, is successful, but the American government, they just banned, and they have kept it everything they have just reserved to produce or not to produce. So the argument is cloning is bad for human beings or good for human beings. You see here, cloning could make countries to clone many human beings and create armies which may result in great wars. The first point. By cloning, we can create lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of people, and there are chances the country may use them as army men to fight against the other countries. Number two, for cloning, two-parent family is not needed. A single man or woman is enough. For cloning, you no need to have a mother and a father, or a man or a girl, women, a boy or a girl. It is just enough that one person is enough. They take the embryo, and through the DNA they produce, they clone and get the human beings. So no need of double sex, just one sex is enough. Number third, homosexuality and lesbianism will be encouraged because clones don't have sexual relationship with their partners. Clones don't have sexual feelings. They don't depend upon the female or male cloners to get their sexual gratification. So homosexuality and lesbianism will be encouraged. Cloning is very costly. For cloning is bad, the points you are saying cloning is very costly. Number fifth point, cloning don't have sensational. Clones do not have sensational or sentimental feelings, but human beings have sentimental and sensational feelings. So the clones don't have the sensational feelings. Human beings have sensational feelings. The point here. Sixth point, human rights and animal rights will be violated by cloning. By cloning, there are chances that human rights violations may happen because they can do anything, physical harm for the cloned human beings. Number 7, it takes a lot of time for cloning. Dolly, the first clone animal, took nearly 270 tries to make it successful. The first cloned living animal is Dolly, a first clone animal. It took 270 tries to make it successful. So a calf, Dolly, it took 270 times to try and produce this animal. Number 8, human embryos could be murdered. There are chances that they can kill the embryos, even that has life. Number 9th point, there are chances of stealing the DNAs of Bin Laden, Saddam Hussein, and make thousands of Bin Ladens and Saddam Husseins which are bad for humans. See, for example, all the embryos are stored up in one bank. There are chances that some people may steal the DNAs of some VIPs, and for bad elements they can produce thousands of Saddam Husseins and thousands of Bin Ladens. Cloning is good for human beings. What are the points you can say? The repairing of the organs is easy. We can take cloned animals' body parts and fix its human body. See, I have a cloned counterpart. Suppose if I have any problem in my liver or kidney, I can take the cloned person's kidney and liver and fix it, and after that I can eliminate him. Number 2, heart attacks will not be there. Heart attacks will not be there because you can fix the separate hearts. By cloning, we will be able to manufacture superhumans. By cloning, we can make a very, very powerful powerful beings. Number 4, we can do a lot of research on our genes and find cure for our problematic genes. So through clones, we can find what is our problem and how to cure that. Number 5th point, cloning helps the infertile couples not able to produce children to have children. So cloning helps for the couples who don't have children to produce children. 6th point, we can understand our aging better because of cloning. Because of cloning, we can find why we are getting older so fast or younger. Everyone prefers to have a child of their own genes rather than taking a sperms of an unknown donor. So, in cloning, the production of the clones which are produced are through your own sperms, not from some other sperms. So, that is what everybody prefers. 8th point, cloning will not take away individual's uniqueness. For every 67 births a twin is born. The twins have their own individual taste, preference and lifespans. Here, my dear friends, for every 67 births one twin is born. So, by cloning it does not take away the individuality. This is the point for cloning. So, நண்பர்களே பக்கம் 171 74 human cloning is good or bad. அப்ப நம்மளிடம் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த விந்துகளை எடுத்து டிஎன்ஏக்களை எடுத்து நம்மை போன்று உருவாக்கலாம் வேறுபட்ட மனிதர்களை. அது நல்லதா கெட்டதா? இப்போ என்னுடைய இரத்தத்திலிருந்து டிஎன்ஏ எடுத்து என்னை போன்று உருவமைப்புள்ள ஆயிரக்கணக்கான வேர்களை உற்பத்தி பண்ணக்கூடியது தான் குளோனிங். இது நல்லதா கெட்டதா என்கிற பாயிண்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது கெட்டது என்கிற சொல்லக்கூடிய வகையிலே 9 பாயிண்ட்டும் நல்லது என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய வகையிலே 8 பாயிண்ட்டுகளும் இருக்கிறது. இப்போ குளோனிங் என்பது புதியதான ஒரு கண்டுபிடிப்பு, அமெரிக்காவில் கண்டுபிடித்திருக்கிறார்கள். அறிவியல் வளர்ச்சியிலே, மருத்துவ வளர்ச்சியிலே மிகப்பெரிய வளர்ச்சி. மனிதனுடைய நோய்களுக்கு ஒரு மாமருந்தாக இருக்கிறது. எந்த நோயாக இருந்தாலும் இந்த குளோனிங் மூலமாக குளோனர்ஸிலிருந்து எடுத்து உறுப்புகளை நமக்கு உடம்பில் பொருத்தி கொண்டால் நாம் உடல் தேறிவிடலாம். ஸோ மருத்துவத்துறையிலே மிகப்பெரிய கண்டுபிடிப்பு இந்த குளோனிங். ஒரு மனிதன் 200 ஆண்டு காலம் என்ன 300 ஆண்டு காலம் வேண்டுமானாலும் வாழக்கூடிய சக்தியை பெறுகிறான். ஸோ குளோனிங் நல்லதா கெட்டதா? ஸோ குளோனிங் இஸ் இட் குட் ஆர் பேட்? வாட்ஸ் யுவர் ஒப்பீனியன்?
I think cloning is bad because some terrorists like Bin Laden or Saddam Hussein can misuse their clonings and escapes from the countries. So I think it is bad.
So it's bad. What's your idea?
Cloning is bad because the cloning body have not feelings, so he killed his boss.
So it doesn't have sensational feelings. Yeah. Okay, what's your point, sir?
Cloning is good for animals and birds. See, nowadays sparrows and all have been destroying fully. If sparrows can be founded and thousands.
So the rare species can be produced like elephants, tigers and animals, wildlife. We can try to produce more of them. Yeah.
Clonings are maybe bad because it creates bad human beings like Bin Laden or someone's like that.
There are chances of
creating them. And to create a cat, we need 200 egg cells to create a cat. It leads to wastage of egg cells, and also the natural sexual relationship would be reduced because of that. And in the good point of view, it's like cloning the stem cells. We can create human beings, the parts of the human beings that can reduce heart attack, kidney failure.
Good. Stem cells we can create. Okay. What is your point of view, madam?
Cloning is good for human beings. Heart attacks will not be there.
Heart attacks can be avoided. What's your point?
Cloning is bad for human beings. It's very costly, and human embryos could be murdered.
Very costly. Oh.
Clone person cannot be considered as a human being itself because it does not have any sentimental or emotional feelings. Moreover, if it commits any mistake, it cannot be legally punished.
Legally punished is a wonderful point here because it is clones. We cannot go in for a legal punishment. Yeah.
Cloning is good for human being because we can research lot of.
We can do a lot of research, future researchers. Yes.
Heart attack will not be there.
The heart attacks won't be there. Okay, good. Nice discussion we had. 1 minute. So, what is your point of view, gentlemen? You know, okay, good, nice. It is an interesting topic. Cloning, is it good or bad? This is the topic. Thank you, sir.